Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. If you've seen part 1 of this, which was the last video that I uploaded, I had the efin in the Edge Pro 1 and now I've got it in Linda Lovelips. I'm going to try it out in this, see what it's like. Should be fun. It worked really well in the Edge Pro 1, it was a lot of fun. And I think it'd be a lot of fun in that too. So oldest friend is in the Eddie Bauer boat just over there. And when we get back to Neighbourne, I'm going to pop it in there and just see what it's like in that too. Right, let's do it. Don't forget the remote. Beautiful day today. The other two have gone on ahead. Full speed ahead. My God, it moves this nicely as well. So going down river now with a slight backwind, and if you can see that, doing 4.95. Nice little bow wave. I'll stick this camera in the water and see if I can show you what it's like underneath. Just need to do a bit of steering. Steering. Gotta say, the steering in this feels a lot better. Yeah, it feels a lot better steering in this than it does any of the other boats I've actually used this in.
Here it comes, Speedy Gondola.
Speedy Gondola. Speedy Gonads. Nice, I'll take that. So when I use the joystick on this to control the steering, it actually feels really nice in this. Doing a 360. I've never felt comfortable kind of doing that with this boat, with any boat. Woo! Pranked him. Thugs. Never done a 360 with this. Wow. 2,400 RPM. And yeah, moving really nicely. Oh dear, something dangerous has happened. Under the guise of getting some sun lotion off me, they snaffled the remote control. So I actually have no control at the moment.
I just pinched from Carl's boat.
So that's the steering joystick.
And is it left to go left and right to go right?
Yeah. So my boat isn't in my hands at the moment until I get out of range. Go on, pull the trigger all the way.
Right, I've got remote control car. There we go.
This is weird. I think I'm out of range. Out of range, yeah, thankfully there's not an awful lot of range on it. So if I turn around, at some point, it'll kick back in. It hasn't got a great deal of range on it, which is probably a good thing. It'll be a safety mechanism in case you drop the thing in the water. There we go. Whoa! Whoa! Hold on, hold on. That's alright, he's out of range again. Hey, that's picked up. The flow on that's picked up since we passed it earlier. I didn't even bother getting close. Release and fire. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thankfully the range is about there. Behind you, Steve. Bouncy, bouncy. So just been chatting to a couple of paddle boarders. One of them was Neil. Shout out to Neil. Anyway, I am really enjoying using the steering function of this boat. With this efin, with this boat, it's really kind of fun.
Right.
Some people have said in the review that it's the same boat.
Yeah.
Whoa. Woohoo!
I like my yellow peril.
See what I mean? It just turns this thing nicely. I have to say, this so far has been my favourite way of using this efin in this boat. The only thing I had trouble with was getting the efin actually fully into the skeg mount. It's not fully in, but it's in.
What's it?
The efin, it's not fully in the skeg mount, but it's in.
It's it. Yeah.
It's fun. I mean, like I say, I'm enjoying this more in this craft than I have any other I've had so far. Didn't see that coming. All right. That's a good one. Now then. All right. Oh, that's weird. It just died.
One of them just said, "Oh, it's Carl."
Oh, really?
That tosser off YouTube. Sure, he heard him say that.
Thanks, Steve. Just got this set on a sub 1000 RPM cruise. 2.5 mile an hour downriver. They're saying on here that the battery's got 80% left in it still. Probably less than that if I was to zoom it. I have really enjoyed using that in this red boat. Really enjoyed it. More so than I thought I would.
The mobile phones are handy. Pardon?
Yeah! Drive-by shooting. Flash. So full speed turn. That's pretty damn good. Well, we're almost back at Naburn Lock. I'll wrap this up there. These were just a couple of short videos, the last two, about this efin in a couple of different boats. All right, thanks for watching. Cheerio.